By the way, I might just take you through maybe the sneak peek or story or information about how we go through our projects. Normally, it's the site visit, the design, which design I mean 3D rendering, so that in most cases, and this is a question I've actually been receiving so much, why are you charging us for the 3D renders? Normally, in most cases, when you're doing when you're doing a project, especially in the case of a client, if you really don't have a render or you don't have a design for whatever this guy is coming to implement for you, most of the times you don't get it right. Why? Because there's no reference point. I will still insist in most of these projects or most of your projects that you are doing in whichever way, please commit to pay your designer a fee for rendering or a fee for design, so that by the time these guys come to your site and they start implementations, you have a reference point and each party knows exactly what is going to come in terms of design, in terms of size, in terms of color, in terms of accessories, and also at the end of it all, these designs will help your designer to generate a quotation, and with that, each and every detail has been actually catered for.